Right then, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is something I've really been excited about covering, and it's actually something that was published in The Guardian on Saturday by Ottolenghi. When we look at this article here, so you've got Ottolenghi's recipes here, and you've got 3 different soups, all with different contrasting flavours. And I love the title as well, Flavour, Colour and Crunch. Absolutely amazing. I mean, look how nice this looks. This one I've actually covered before, which is like a pumpkin or a butternut squash soup with a nice little herb salsa on top and a crunch. You can actually check that video out, I've actually covered that. But it's actually this I want to cover, which is the green pea, leek and coconut soup with a crunchy caramelised sunflower seed. So the key ingredients you need for this, your peas, your leeks, celery, shallots, garlic, coconut milk, lemongrass, lime leaves, and then some premium sea salt. And then for the garnish, you need some sunflower seeds, some ginger, some chili flakes, and some date molasses. What we're gonna do is just gonna caramelise them. So really, really simple this, and it's gonna be whole food plant-based as well. So let's get going. And I'm back, and voila, here's the soup. So all I'm gonna do now is spoon some up. Boom. And the best part is the taste panel. So I've served myself a nice little portion here. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sprinkle some of the caramelized sunflower seeds on top. So now for the taste panel. That's amazing. It's a real mix of the garden, you know, a very classic traditional garden pea soup, but with that oriental twist with the coconut and the lime leaves, and also the lemongrass as well. And this recipe does remind me of a very amazing dish that Ottolenghi did in the Simple cookbook, which is the pea, courgette and basil soup, which is amazing. So do check out that recipe, I've got a link for that. So really hope you're enjoying this show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also turn on your notifications every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Please do turn them on. Just to let you know, only about 5% of my subscribers actually have notifications on. So really important, so please do support me. My channel is completely free. Hope to inspire all of you. So take care, enjoy.